Hi, you are?
Laura Kirk.
And what are you doing today, Laura?
I'm raising money for the Salvation Army's anti-human trafficking
And how are you going to be raising that money?
by doing a tandem parachute jump.
You're mad! Looking forward to it?
Yes, I'm
Nervous
excited.
at
Nervous and excited.
Yeah, hold your hand out nice and flat. I'll decide that one. Hold your hand out nice and flat. Yeah, a little bit nervous. And you say the charity is?
The Salvation Army's anti-human trafficking.
And how much have you raised?
So far, about £250.
That's not bad at all. And whereabouts are you from today?
Near Basildon.
Okay, so a bit of a drive, yeah. Picked not a bad day now. I know you've been waiting around for a couple of hours.
quite a few hours, yeah.
Friends and family here?
I've got my husband, Dave.
Yeah, he's there
Dave.
some as well. Oh, are you jumping or not? No. No? Well, at least you're here to support her. And do you know who you're going to be attached to on this jump?
No.
Right, I forgot his name. Camera off, Dave. Camera back on. Who are you going to be jumping with?
Dave.
Ah, did you remember that? Well done. But wherever we're with Dave later, remember, loads of
Okay.
smiling, loads of fun stuff.
I hope to see you up there, looking good.
See you out there. It's gonna be nice.
Just give me a sign.
Hey! Did you finally enjoy that in the end?
Midway,
Yeah.
I didn't enjoy the first bit, that was terrifying.
Well, it looked like you enjoyed it. Did she do well, David?
She did. She had a great body position. I don't know what she's worried about.
She did, didn't she? Well done. You've finally done it.
Flip these up behind you. Hang on.
You certainly got your money's worth there.
I did, didn't I? 2 flights.
There you go. Safe to get up.
What is
Right, up you get. And we'll just get a picture of you and Dave together. Right, we'll just get a picture of you and Dave and then...
That was a lot more gentle than I thought it would be.
Sorry?
That was a lot more gentle than I thought it would be.
What, the landing?
Yeah.
Right, here we go. Well, sometimes it can be a bit harder than that.
Hey.
Right, ready?
Hey.
One more.
Wicked.
Fantastic.
Hey.
Welcome skydiving. Right, I'm off now. So goodbye. Bye.
To die for, not enough to live for. It doesn't matter how hard